guys and welcome to Tech Category. This is Pankaj Kumba. We are back with another video after a long time. So due to some reasons I was not able to put the videos on YouTube channel. So here I am with the new video which is gonna be how to scale up the command, how to use this scale command in industry on the practical based example. So we are gonna start our today's session. So stay tuned and watch the video till end. For example, you can see on the screen there is the plan with the elevations, some of the elevation. So I will take this plan, I will copy CO just to show you how the scale command works. So you can see this. I don't think so it is visible to you, so I will change the layer at the deck point. Now it may be quite visible to you. So for example, I will select the line command, and this is the line command, and one more line. So assume that this spacing between the two lines is 250 mm. So the exterior wall of the building is 250 mm. So you want that 250 mm to be scaled up with this drawing. So for example, this is the actual 250 mm and this is more or less below the 250. So you want this to be scaled up at the actual 250 mm. So what you have to do is just select this, okay, MV move command, I'm sorry, the MV is in the Revit, M command, select the interior corner part of the wall and put it over here. So you can see that interior part is being fixed. Now what you have to do is select the SC command, which is scale, or you may select from here, select the desired object, press enter or space bar, then select the first point, which will be the interior face of that line, okay, interior face of the wall. I've selected somewhere around here, then press enter or enter. So we have to give the reference length. So now what you have to do is select the previous wall, the 2 points of the previous wall, which will be first and second. So that was the previous, and the desired requirement is of 250 mm. So where is that 250 mm line offset? So you can see over, this is the 250 mm offset. So according to this, you can scale up anything at any dimension. So for example, again I will repeat this process in quick. I have like shown you this. Let's scale up the this vertical part, vertical wall, L, enter. So somewhere around this is this could be 350 mm or more or less 500 mm. Just move this internal part to the internal part. You can see I have put the internal wall at this, okay. Now what you have to do is take SC scale command, select the whole thing. Don't select these lines because these lines are very important. Press enter, select the internal part, okay, press R, enter, again the internal and external part, and then at the end you have to select this. So you can see as per our desired requirement, the actual dimensions of the plans are on the sheet. So now what you can do is you can annotate this, like this is 350 mm, 250 mm. According to that you may reduce the drawing, and in this you can set the layouts as per the requirement. So this was all regarding this scale command. If you want this file, apartment file for the practice, you want this model for the practice, I will put down the link of my Telegram channel where you will get this file. I will post it away over there, so you can download this and you can practice the way I told to you. So this is what. Thank you so much guys. Keep watching, keep subscribing to my channel. and wait for the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.